Ever wondered how just one yes can change everything? That moment when the door cracks open and you see a glimmer of possibility in someone's eyes. That's what we're chasing, folks. In today's video, we're diving deep into the art of attraction, intrigue, and instant arousal. We're talking about the kind of energy that makes you magnetic, that draws people in, that makes them want to say yes. This is for all of you out there looking to make a genuine connection. Chapter 1. The Power of Confidence. All right, let's talk about confidence. It's not about strutting around like you own the place, though a little swagger never hurt nobody. It's about knowing your worth, owning your story, every beautiful flaw and scar. True confidence radiates from within. It's that quiet fire in your belly that says, I'm comfortable in my own skin. And trust me, folks, people can sense it a mile away. Think about it. Who are you more drawn to? The person hunched over, avoiding eye contact, or the one standing tall, a slight smile playing on their lips? It's about believing in yourself, even when it feels like the world's telling you not to. So, how do you cultivate this elusive confidence? It starts with self-acceptance. Embrace your quirks, your imperfections. They're what make you, you. Remember, confidence is a journey, not a destination. Chapter 2. The Language of the Eyes. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, and let me tell you, there's a whole lot of truth in that. Eye contact, it's a powerful thing. It can make or break a connection before a word is even spoken. Think about it. You're across the room, and you lock eyes with someone. Not a fleeting glance, but a real, genuine connection. It's like time stands still for a moment. That's the power of eye contact. It conveys interest. It sparks curiosity. It says, I see you. But it's not just about holding someone's gaze. It's about the intention behind it. It's about conveying warmth, sincerity, a genuine desire to connect. Now, I'm not saying you gotta stare them down like you're in a duel or anything. It's about finding a balance. Hold their gaze for a few seconds. Let a smile touch your lips, then look away slowly. Remember, the eyes don't lie. When you look at someone with genuine interest, they'll feel it. Chapter 3. The Dance of Body Language. We're constantly communicating. Even when we're not saying a word, our bodies, they tell a story. Think about it. You see someone with their arms crossed, shoulders hunched, head down. What's that tell you? They're closed off, maybe even a little scared. Now, imagine someone standing tall, shoulders back, head held high. They exude confidence, openness, a willingness to engage. So how do you use this to your advantage? It's simple. Stand tall, like you've got a string pulling you up from the crown of your head. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your arms uncrossed. Make eye contact, smile, and don't be afraid to move. When you're talking to someone, lean in slightly, showing you're engaged. Mirror their movements subtly, creating a sense of connection. And for God's sake, lose the phone. Nothing says, I'd rather be anywhere but here, like scrolling through your Instagram feed while someone's trying to have a conversation. It's about being aware of the messages your body's sending and making sure they're aligned with what you want to project. Chapter 4. The Magnetism of a Genuine Smile. There's a reason they say a smile is the universal language. It's disarming. It's contagious. It's like a beacon of warmth. A genuine smile reaches your eyes, lights up your face. It's magnetic, drawing people in, making them feel at ease. It says, I'm happy to see you without a word, so go ahead, smile genuinely, and watch the magic happen. Chapter 5. The Art of the Well-Timed Compliment. Everybody likes to feel good, to feel seen, appreciated. And a well-timed compliment. It's like a little gift you give someone. It's a way of saying, I see you, I appreciate you, I value you. But like a fine wine, a compliment is best served at the right moment, with the right intention. It's not about showering someone with empty flattery. It's about finding something specific, something you genuinely admire about them, and expressing it authentically. Maybe it's their style, their sense of humor, their kindness, their passion for something they love. Whatever it is, let it come from a place of genuine appreciation. But timing is everything. Don't just blurt it out randomly. Wait for a natural lull in the conversation, a moment where you can offer it sincerely without seeming forced or awkward. A genuine compliment can make someone's day, boost their confidence, and create a lasting connection. Chapter 6. The Lost Art of Listening. In a world obsessed with noise, listening has become a lost art. It's one of the most powerful tools for attraction. Ever been in a conversation where the other person wasn't really listening? It's infuriating, right? Makes you feel invisible. Now, imagine the opposite. Someone fully present, hanging on your every word. They're making eye contact, nodding, asking questions. It makes you feel seen, heard, understood. That's the power of listening. It shows you value what the other person says. So how do you become a better listener? Put your phone down, silence your inner monologue, and focus. Listen to the emotions behind the words. Ask questions, reflect back what you've heard, and most importantly, don't interrupt. You'll be amazed at the connections you forge. Listening creates shared understanding and respect. Chapter 7. The Allure of Mystery. We live in a world of instant gratification, where everything is available at our fingertips. But there's something to be said for a little mystery, for leaving a little something to the imagination. What's more intriguing, a closed door or an open book? A whispered secret or a shouted announcement? It's the unknown, the yet-to-be-discovered that sparks our curiosity. Now, I'm not saying you gotta become some enigmatic riddle, shrouded in secrecy. It's about finding that balance between openness and intrigue. Don't feel the need to overshare on the first date. Let the conversation unfold organically. Keep some things close to the vest, little secrets, passions, dreams. And don't be afraid to be a little elusive. Don't be so readily available. Have your own life, your own interests, your own pursuits. It makes you more interesting, more desirable. Remember, mystery is a powerful aphrodisiac. It creates a sense of intrigue, a desire to know more, to unravel the layers and discover the true you beneath. Chapter 8. The Language of Laughter. They say laughter is the best medicine. And let me tell you, it's also a damn good wingman. There's something about sharing a laugh with someone, about that moment of connection, that shared understanding, that creates an instant bond. Think about it. When you're drawn to someone, when you're enjoying their company, what happens? You laugh, you tease, you joke, you find humor in the everyday. It's a sign of comfort, of ease, of a connection that goes beyond the surface. Now, I'm not saying you gotta be a stand-up comedian or anything. It's about finding the humor in the little things, in the absurdity of life, and not taking yourself too seriously. Be playful, be silly, be willing to laugh at yourself. It shows you're confident, approachable, and fun to be around. But there's a fine line between humor and disrespect. Avoid sarcasm, negativity, or anything that could be construed as mean-spirited. The goal is to make them laugh with you, not at you or anyone else. Remember, laughter is a powerful connector. It breaks down barriers, creates a sense of shared joy, and leaves a lasting impression. Chapter 9. The Power of Touch. We are tactile creatures, wired for connection, for the feeling of another's touch. A well-placed touch can speak volumes, igniting a spark that words sometimes can't. It's about those subtle, fleeting moments of physical contact that convey warmth and interest. A light touch on the arm during a shared laugh, a gentle brush of the hand. Timing is everything. Read the room. Read their body language. Are they reciprocating your touch? If so, you're on the right track. If not, back off. Respect their boundaries. A touch should always come from a place of genuine connection. Chapter 10. The Power of Authenticity. In a world of filters, facades, and carefully curated online personas, there's something incredibly refreshing, incredibly attractive, about someone who's comfortable in their own skin. Someone who's not afraid to be themselves, flaws and all. See, folks, authenticity, it's magnetic. It's about owning your story, your quirks, your passions, the things that make you, you. It's about showing up as your true self, without pretense or apology. Now, I understand, putting yourself out there, being vulnerable, it can be scary. We all want to be liked, accepted, to fit in. But trying to be someone you're not, it's exhausting. And ultimately, it's a recipe for disaster. Embrace your imperfections. They're what make you interesting, relatable, human. Remember, authenticity is about being true to yourself, even when it's scary, even when it feels uncomfortable. Remember, it's all about confidence, eye contact, body language, and being genuine. It's about being present, being respectful, and letting your true self shine through. It's about creating a connection, a spark, a moment that says, I see you, and I like what I see. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on mastering the art of attraction. Now go out there and get that yes.